Welcome. In front of me is a DOOGEE S50, and today I will show you how to hard reset the device through settings. So to get started, let's go into the settings, and from here let's go into backup and reset, and you will find factory data reset, and you will get basically information of everything that will remove. So your Google account, which is provided right here, your system app data and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos, and other user data. So basically to remove anything that you have placed there yourself, apart from the apps that come preloaded with the device. And if you want, you can back up your device before, otherwise you will lose all the data from it. And yeah. And to get started, you want to tap on the reset phone right here. But as you can see, my battery is at 70% and it would need to be at 20 to actually begin. So I'm actually incapable of beginning this, unless I'm gonna try to do one thing. So bear with me, maybe this will work. But basically you want to press the reset phone and then erase everything. Nope, it does not work. Sometimes plugging it in would work, but not in this case. So you will have to have the battery at least 20% or more to begin. Now mine isn't, so I can't. But you press the reset and then erase everything, and the process will begin. And once it's finished, we should be then in the setup screen of the device, as you do when you basically get the device. And yeah, so if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.